Hello everyone, welcome to the AKExport tutorial. Today we will learn how to export plans and elevations from Sketchup to AutoCAD, and how to update your model modifications to the drawings with one click. I will guide you step by steps and put the summary at the end of the video. Let's get started. Once you have installed the plugin following our text tutorial and restart your AutoCAD, you can type AKE to confirm if there are relevant commands. If it matches what is displayed here, it means the installation was successful. The first step is to type AKE unit to confirm the unit we want to export in. Here, I choose meters as my unit. It's important to note that this setting is a one-time setting. That means, as long as you don't uninstall the plugin, you don't need to set it every time. Once is enough. Second, choose the Sketchup file. Type AKExport. At this point, you'll need to select your Sketchup file. You have two options. To select your last used file, type Y, or to choose a new file, type C. Since this is our first time using it, we'll choose C. In the upcoming interface, you need to select the Sketchup file you want to export. The third step is to export the floor plan. Type AKE plan. At this point, the system will prompt us to enter a height. For example, if you want to create a floor plan section that is 1.5 meters high, you can enter 1.5 meters. If your unit is inches, you can enter 60 inches. Of course, if you want to export a basement plan, you can also enter minus 1.5 meters. It's important to note that this height is relative to the SketchUp origin, and you can confirm it using SketchUp's measuring tool. We enter 1.5 meters and wait for several seconds. The plan will follow your mouse cursor and can be placed by clicking. Now let's see how's the accuracy of the drawings. This is my SketchUp model. The width of this column, 0.3 meter. This is the exported plan. 0.3 meter. And you can see all the layer information is preserved. The AutoCAD layer is just the same as your SketchUp layer. All the lines are continuous polylines. Finally, let's see how to export an elevation view. Type AKE elevation. We click the first point and the second point to determine our section position. The third click determines the cutting direction and depth. Depth here refers to how far you want to see. If you draw it longer, you'll see further. If shorter, only closer objects will be exported. After drawing the 3 points, wait for a few seconds, and your elevation view will be exported. Finally, we'll discuss a very important feature called Update. This feature helps you update your SketchUp model to your AutoCAD drawings with just one click. When your model has been modified, all you need to do is save your SketchUp model. Then type AKE Update in AutoCAD. You'll see a system prompt asking you to select the AKE bounding box. This bounding box is the gray box that surrounds your exported drawing in AutoCAD. Never delete this box. Once you click on it, the modifications to your model will automatically synchronize with your drawings. You can also type All to update all drawings, but this may cause some lag, so choose carefully. That's all. These are all the commands we use. We are now adding new features, so please tell us in the comments if you have any creative ideas. We're open to your suggestions.